Today, the lighting in film footage we want to analyze comes from the movie Black Swan, which uses various lights to express characters' emotions and psychology. Part 1. Highlighting the overall atmosphere with environmental lighting. The entire film revolves around ballet dancer Nina, with the lighting ambience differing dramatically across various scenes. First, the movie fully leverages the stage lighting effects to showcase the protagonist's diverse performance states. This scene is Nina dancing in her dreams. From the silhouette of the character's back and skirt hem, it is clear that light shines from behind the character's sides, creating a sense of three-dimensional depth and ambience. There might be softer auxiliary light from the front or front to gently fill in the light, avoiding complete darkness in the front of the character. But the intensity is weaker than that of the side backlight, so most of the front remains in shadow, maintaining a dark atmosphere. Next, we introduce the lighting setup in the room. The entire room's light source has a yellow tint, and the overall brightness is somewhat dim. The shadows of the two characters are numerous, suggesting a barrier between Mother and Nina, and also indicating that Nana has always been under her mother's control. The main light source for this scene may come from the side of the right front, creating a certain level of brightness for the characters and environment. Soft auxiliary lights could be added from other directions to make the overall lighting more even and avoid dark areas. Part 2. Significant use of Rembrandts to highlight the face. This movie also extensively uses sides and backlights to create an oppressive atmosphere. This is a scene of Nina experiencing hallucinations while looking in the mirror. Parts of the person's face and sides are clearly illuminated. The main light source may be located in the left front position, with auxiliary light sources supplemented from a relative direction to avoid dimming it. This facial side lighting is applied in various scenarios, creating different atmospheres. The male character's face was subtly calculated, gradually drawing Nina into the vortex. More hard light spotlights are used to maintain sufficient facial brightness, present delicate expressions, and create a more three-dimensional facial structure. This scene is a gentle metered light, illuminating the character's expression, with other auxiliary sources reflecting from around to avoid a stiff face. General light typically shines from one side of the subject at an angle of about 45 degrees, but it is usually supplemented with a light to make it softer. In this scene, the main light enters through an external window. The overall dim lighting inside the room foreshadowed the man's temptation and calculations towards Nina. Visible side backlighting and Rembrandt lighting can provide a more three-dimensional portrayal of a character. This lighting technique makes the character even more cunning. This is also a significant source of psychological pressure for Nina, and the audience feels suppressed when facing him. Part 3. Lighting color shapes emotional tone. In this scene, red filter paper is used to add color to the light, creating a tense atmosphere. Use spotlights and lamp holders to focus lights on specific areas, creating a highlight at the person's forehead and nose bridge. This light intensified Nina's inner pressure and anger. In the final scene, the main female character offers sacrifices to the stage. The overall light source color is warm yellow, illuminating from behind the dancers and creating a backlight that outlines their figures. This creates a strong visual separation effect, making the dancer the focal point of the visual center. The intensity of the main light is very high, sufficient to form a bright circular halo area. Such a stage lighting design enhances artistic expressiveness and visual impact.